Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, if you're new to the channel, usually what we do, I'll show you. Usually this channel is all about... Oh crap, the alarm is set. Okay, we're good. So usually this channel is all about Hellcats and demons and Mopars and really slow boats, which are all three of these. But today, and there's a drum of fuel here, this could get interesting. Today, Kennedy and I are testing the theory of, do these energy drinks really light on fire? So someone posted a video. I'm a very avid Bang drinker, so is she, and so is everyone. About this Bang lighting on fire. So we got this one. We're gonna test out. This is just a random energy drink we had, America Energy. We're gonna get the Rockstar, we're gonna get the Monster, Red Bull sugar-free, and then a regular Red Bull. So we're gonna see if it is in fact true that Bangs are flammable, and then we're gonna test the rest of these, because when I saw the video, I thought it was bullshit, and we're gonna find out right now. Do you think it was real?
I guess we're about to find out. Don't try this at home.
So we've got water and we've got a fire extinguisher in here. We're gonna grab just in case, because you never know what may go down. Handy dandy fire extinguisher still in the box. And there's a big 55-gallon drum of fuel right there.
All right.
All right, so Kennedy is gonna take over the camera and we're gonna test these out. All right, so first up we've got the Bang. This is the Rainbow Unicorn. I call it Unicorn Piss. This is the one that everyone's been trying. So let's see what happens. So pour some out. Freaking light!
Is it hot enough?
Oh yeah. I can pour some gas out and it'll light on fire real quick. Literally nothing.
Nothing.
All right, let's try.
Well, I feel better about drinking Bangs now.
Let's go for the Rockstar. Make sure.
No, we can't mix them.
So here's the Rockstar. Oh shit!
David's still on the Bang.
All right, so here's Rockstar. Nothing. Whoever made the video, you're being proven wrong right now. Alright, try Monster. It's gonna stay in the concrete. They're so acidic. Let's go right here.
Sorry, Kevin.
We'll power wash it.
We're getting something. Did you see that?
Yeah. It's smoked, but
yeah,
it's smoking.
That's the most we've seen.
So the Monster is probably the most flammable of any of them so far. Let's try a regular Red Bull and then we'll do Red Bull sugar-free. So here's a regular Red Bull. Smokes. That one smokes, but look at the Bang. We'll do it again. The Bang doesn't even smoke like the Monster or the Red Bull. It barely did it, but not like this.
Yeah.
Alright, let's try a sugar-free Red Bull, see if that makes any difference.
Where do you want to go?
We'll go up here. We're running out of room here.
Nothing.
We'll leave these by there so we know which one's which. This is
One more America Energy.
So this is some bodybuilder guy, his energy drink. Nothing, literally nothing. Let's pour out a little gas so you know that I'm not playing.
Oh gosh. Can we not?
They gotta know. They gotta know.
Oh goodness. This is not a good idea.
So this is actual 91 octane from the gas station. So you guys know that we're serious here. This is the part where the house lights on fire. Oh shit.
Oh.
See?
All right.
Look at that.
David.
Okay. We're gonna pour that out now. See? Myth busted, literally. So we lit the gas on fire so you know that our blowtorch actually works. You saw how fast it ignited, right?
Correct.
America Energy, Red Bull sugar free, The Bang, Rockstar, regular Red Bull, Monster, nothing.
Nothing.
Literally nothing. So whoever posted the video, you're a fraud. We're busting myths out here.
Call us the Mythbusters.
So that's a little bit different video for you guys. Hopefully you like it. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, comment down below. I want to know. I bet he had to pour like a little bit of gasoline to ignite it, because it didn't blow up like that.
Yeah.
But he probably put enough in
I bet
there.
he did. Yeah. Well, in the video, did he pour? Was it already poured? I didn't watch the video.
No, but you could pour some like in the can. It didn't show him opening the can.
Yeah, you're right.
So he probably mixed it. We're gonna clean this freaking mess up now. So we'll see you guys on the next one.
Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and Snapchat at Kennedy McCall and Bambi39s, and we'll see you guys on the next one.